Today I'm diving into Beverly Hills Hair Group to give you a complete walkthrough of their website, services, and what my experience has been like. Right off the bat, their homepage looks sleek and professional. You immediately get the vibe that this is a high-end clinic. Scrolling through, they highlight their specialization in treating hair loss conditions, like alopecia, using a range of solutions, including PRP therapy, prescription medications, and even surgical options, like FUE hair transplants. The site provides an easy-to-navigate interface. There's a convenient online consultation form, where you can upload photos of your hairline or thinning areas. While the idea is great, the form itself is a bit outdated, and the submission process isn't as smooth as I'd hoped. I experienced a glitch that made me resubmit my form twice. That's something they definitely need to improve for first-time users. Moving on, they do offer a good amount of detail about their treatments. What stood out was the emphasis on personalized care, which I appreciate. They claim that each treatment plan is customized based on your specific type of hair loss and scalp condition. The transparency is decent, but I did feel that some claims were a bit too vague. For example, timelines for results are not clearly stated unless you dig into their blog section or FAQ, which isn't ideal for someone looking for quick clarity. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. When I booked a consultation, the process was straightforward, but I had to wait almost a week for a response. Once I connected with a specialist though, I was impressed. They asked detailed questions, reviewed my photos, and gave honest input. They didn't push unnecessary treatments, which made me feel like they genuinely cared about results, not just sales. One downside I noticed is that pricing isn't listed anywhere upfront. You'll only get a quote after the consultation. This lack of transparency could be frustrating for those comparing multiple clinics. On the plus side, the clinic does offer both surgical and non-surgical options, which makes them more versatile than many competitors. The blog is surprisingly informative, diving deep into topics like DHT blockers, post-transplant care, and the psychological effects of hair loss. I found myself actually learning quite a bit, which is rare for most clinic websites. If you're looking for an alopecia treatment that combines medical expertise with aesthetic precision, Beverly Hills Hair Group seems like a strong candidate. Just be prepared for a little back and forth, and a slightly slower communication process. If this review helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest breakdowns like this.